Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The analysis of factor affecting early marriage age in Tuban District. Bayu Ferry Kurniawan, Universitas PGRI Ronggolawe Tuban. Introduction. A large population will not be a force for national development if it is not accompanied by a qualified and competitive population, because a high quality population will accelerate the achievement of economic and social growth. In Tuban, the birth rate is quite high. This may be due to several things, one of which the high rate of early marriage many of the average age of married adolescents can it between the ages of 14 or 15. Data on marriage for women uh, 20 years in Tuban against 2017 or 2020, short Dinas Government Community and Village and Family Planning. Formulation of the problem, what factors are causing the tent to do the wedding early? Materials and methods, research design. One, this type of research is a qualitative descriptive study with a phenomenological approach which aims to gather information about what factor influence early marriage, especially for adolescents. The research location in Tuban region. The informant is this study where 20 people, namely adolescents, can act 15 or 19 years. Data collection method and variable research. Primary data were obtained through in-depth interview and direct observation of informants using cell phone and prepared interview guides. Secondary data obtained from direct observation of environmental conditions which are used as sportic and computational data from Fermi data for its purpose. Data analysis method, data processing from in-depth interview which carried out manually in accordance with a qualitative data processing interest and in accordance with the objective of this study, and then analyzed by the method of content analysis, then interpreted and presented in narrative form. Results. This research was conducted in Tuban region of March 3 to March 5, 2021. The results show that adolescents, especially adolescents aged 50 and 90 years, need information about understanding the act of marriage, reproductive organ, and factors that influence early marriage. Result of interview with adolescents like 15 and 90 years. One, early marriage has a very significant impact on the sustainability of this future. Two, problems dealt with be faced if you do an early marriage. Three, what factors make teenagers willing to marry at an early age? Four, what are the dominant factors that make teenagers will to marry at an early age? Discussion. Knowledge of the understanding of early marriage age is everything that I know by adolescent about the age of early marriage, such as knowledge of what is known about the factor that influence the age of early marriage, sorts of information that have been obtained. Two, the informants can knowledge about the factors that influence early marriage so that the teenagers who say that economic factors are the biggest answer are 10 people or 50% who say the education factor is 5 people or 25%, and those who say the factor of religion and tradition of 5 people 25%. It is clear that the main cause, which is the main factor affecting the act of early marriage, is economic factor. Conclusion. The informant received information of the understanding of early marriage from parents, the informant, and from the TV media. Informants' knowledge about the factor that influence early marriage is also obtained from the environment and the executive television or internet media. The need for information on understanding early marriage, especially in the factor that affect early a marriage, is very lacking. Suggestion. The need for cooperation with several related parties so that understanding, especially those related to the factor that influence early marriage, so that the information that must be obtained by adolescents with sufficient information can make adolescents postpone early marriage and get married at their age. Their mental is enough. Thank you.